Welcome everyone and hello my friend Anmol. Today we will going to discuss about the topic that your character is very important than your look. Character is a prime important thing than any other thing in the world. According to the before telling about the importance of the character, I would like to blow some light on the meaning of character. According to the Google, character is a mental or you can say that is mental or the intellectual state that distinguish you from a person to person. We all have a human body, as we know. We have two legs, we have two hands, and some people are very identical. They are twins. They have matching faces also. So it does not make more sense. But when you talk about the character, then the real sense comes to act. Because when you talk about the character, you think that what distinguish you from any other person. Suppose you are going to an interview. Interviewer is taking your interview. He is not only judging your skills of the which you have learned in any course or which you have learned throughout the life. He is also judging your character. That is very judging point. That is very a good marking point during an interview, during various aspects of your life. Not only in the interview, but also in the relations which you are having, either your family member, either your relatives. You have heard some people to say that I mean that this person is very good in character. How a person is able to judge you from your character? So it only happens when you makes yourself distinguished from any other person. So it is our character that distinguishes from individual one person to another person. That I want to say.
Surely, character means what you see yourself and what the others want to see in yourself. In what others see, it also matters. They always see your character, not your face. They always see your behavior, and they always judge you by character. They reward you for your character, not because of your good looking and good personality. In our world, today's society, character plays a major role, major importance, not only in the development of our society, but also in development of a individual well-being of a person. Character is more important when you become growth by day by day. When you meet different persons, when you meet different peoples of your locality or your different company, because it plays a very significant role in maintaining the customer relationship, but also with a good relationship with your boss, with your managers, with laborers, with employees, and with other top senior and management consultants. Even in your family loves it is because you have a good character. You always talk to others very nicely. You always take care of yourself. You always respect your family member. It shows that you have a good character. It shows that you have sympathy. It shows that you have a caring attitude towards your family. So that's why they love. They don't want anything from you. You might be a sole earning member of a family, but what other things that you are giving to your family is your character. So in our society, we always love the character of a person. We always respect the good behavior of a person. We always have a respect to the person who have a respect to others persons also, who cares, who have a humanity, who always respect the other religions also. So that character should be developed inside ourselves. Good character is like a meeting with a God. Similarly, good character can be well reflected on your personality. Good personality and character is somewhat directly related to each other. Where character is significant, character signifies your personal well-being. It also signifies how have you grown. Character also signifies that how your character of family is. For example, if you have a good character, then it becomes an identity of your good character of your family else. Because if you don't have a good character, then people will judge that no, this person have a good character, not this person have a bad behavior. It shows that his family also might have a bad behavior to other persons. So in same way, good character has a various and plays a major role in development of our well-being. You might have been heard that in order to develop ourselves, you have to make yourself come out from a comfort zone. You have to break out of the shell of a shell that you are living.
Yes.
You should come out of your home. But as soon as you come out of your home, but as soon as you cross your city, then what happens? It is your character that gives you food. It is your character that people will respect, and people will see you towards yourself. Because if you move if you go outside of your own earth, your own world, then your character and behavior plays a very major roles in achieving a success and developing a prosperity. Be sure that whatever the situation arise, whether it is bad, whether it is good, you should not have any single point of any sketch on your character.
Yes, you're right.
You should have a character which is as clean as a water. You should have a character which should be as clean as a mirror. You should have a character which should be like a Bhagwan Ram.
Yes, you're right.
So character plays a very significant role in our today's society, because not only you but your family is also being judged by your own character.
Yes, you're right. Actually, it is said that our character is a mirror that reflects our personality. When you are having the good character, then you are surely be called a person of a good personality. It does not mean that if you are having a good body, if you are very muscular, if you are good in looking, then only you can be good in character. You can be good in character by your mental and intellectual skills. It is a very important point. So when you develop your mental state, when you develop your state of mind, like the people who have been called a great people in the world, like Mahatma Gandhi, like B.R. Ambedkar, and so many people are there. We don't need to name because there are thousands of them. I cannot make them to recall all of them here. But what I want to say that when you make your character as great as that people, then you would be called a good character. I would not say that you need to follow all the rules and all the guidelines or that has been given by that persons, but you should focus on at least some morals, at least some principles that the great person had given in their time. And if you start working, believe me, if you start working even in some of that principles, the results would be very good, the results would be excellent, because you will be able to develop your personality soon. Some people think that I am leading a normal life. How can be possible so that I can get a good success? I can get a good name and fame in the world. So there is no other thing than your character, which makes you reputed in the world. Because as you know that your character, it is rightly said that your character is what actually are, and your reputation is what other thinks about yourself, but your character is what you think about yourself. So when you are able to think good about yourself, when you are able to think that I am doing the right thing, when you are able to think that I am taking the right decisions at the right point of the time, then you would be able to make a positive attitude towards the life. Then you would be able to say you that you are a good character people, good character man. So on that point of reference, when you go through, then you will be getting a good results. So don't focus on the reputation, focus on the character. It is rightly said that don't judge the book by the covers. It is similar to the statement that we should not judge a person by his reputation. The reputation is merely what other people thinks about you, but your character is, I am again repeating, that your character is what you think about yourself. So for developing a good character inside yourself, it is very necessary to think good, about yourself. It's very important point. So when you start thinking, good about yourself, then you will be, you are in the step of making your good character. It is very important. Another important thing is that it is rightly said that our intelligence and our character, good character and great intelligence are the goal of our education. What education we are going to take in this time it does not aiming at getting only jobs, getting some amount of money, getting paid, getting salary. It is totally connected to enhance our intellectual skills plus a good character, to maintain good character. You are learning different courses to get good, to get certified, so that you can use that certificate in your job, in your interview. But believe me, there is no other, there is no other biggest certificate as your character. Your character is the biggest certificate, which has no expiry date, which will go throughout your life, which will make you, name and fame, which will provide you money even after your retirement, even after when you don't want to work, because other people will remember about your character. So it is very important to think good about yourself, because when you start thinking good about yourself, then the people think good about yourself. So it is very important point that I want to say.
Yeah, you are right. Character is something which cannot be measured in quantities. You can measure everything. You can measure water, you can measure milk, you can measure you can measure woods, you can measure other things. But character we cannot measure. There is no any measurement tools that is being developed today to measure, to judge your character, to measure your character. Because character and love, these two things cannot be measured. There is no limitations of a character. It is as high as a sky, and it is as deep as a ocean. So character has no limit, just like a love. We should character is like a house. For example, if you have to build a house, then it takes a long time to collect the raw materials, spend a huge amount of money, to employ labor, to give your time and energy, and put all of your resources to build that house. But similarly, if you even a one matchsticks can destroy your house. Even any small fire is able to destroy your whole house. Is able to burn your whole house. So character is like a house. It takes years of time to build your character. It takes a long time to build your character. But at the time you do any misbehave, at a time you do any wrong things, so at that time your character will be lost. So similarly, we should always take care that beside building our character, we should have control on ourselves also, that in the future we should not do any kind of misbehavior, we should not do any kind of mistakes, we should not do any type of wrongdoings to others, so that the other people will start blaming our character. If you lost your character, you lost everything in your life. If you lost money, then you lost something in your life. If you lost your family, then you lost many things in your life. But if you lost your character, you have lost everything in your life. There is no profit to live in this world.
Yes, you're right.
It is rightly said, because earning money is somewhat easier task in today's scenario. But building a character is not an easy task. It takes long time. So, in my point of view, character is somewhat a is somewhat a mirror in which you are judged by the society. And another thing that I want to say, that character means we should have control on ourselves. We should we should not have any kind of pride. We should have patience on ourselves. We have ability to pardon even our opponents. We should not have any kind of wrong doing. We should not have any kind of wrong things, and to provide harmony to other person. We should always respect and love every creature in this world, because we are made by the God, and God gave our responsibility to take care all the creatures of your world. All the citizens, all the persons in this world are your brothers and sisters. All the animals are your own pets, and all the beautiful things, all the trees, all the beautiful trees, all the natural things that we are blessed by the God is about you, and you have your sole responsibility to protect it and to take care of it. So
Yes.
that is a character. We should focus on to build on the character, not to focus to get a success and to get promotion and to another thing. Because if you are able to build your character, then your life will become a purposeful. You will be satisfied, and you can meet with your own God also.
Yes.
And in order to build your character, you should be properly have education. Illiterate person, I think, can never build a character, because because literacy, education will help you to build your character. Because if you are getting more educated, then it develops a sense of ability to judge a wrong and right. You have ability to differentiate between the right and wrong. What is right, what is wrong. No, I am doing such type of thing, it is wrong, it is a sin. So how can you got this ability? You can got this only by the education. Those who are uneducated, they are more prone to commit a sin, because they don't know the difference between the right and wrong. You might have been heard about the various illiterate persons, various persons who engage in any type of misbehaving to other people, like committing a rape, snatching a chain, or you can say that sacrificing animals. So why they are doing such type of thing? Because they are illiterate persons. They don't have a character. So that's these persons are like they have eyes, but they don't use their eyes. They have brain, but they don't use their brain. They don't know the meaning of their life. They don't have a character, and they don't have a good behavior.
Yes. Right.
In today's scenario, when there is a period of lockdown, there are many Muslim communities who are engaging in a misbehaving with the nurses, with the paramedical staff, with the doctors. In spite of these doctors with such a good character and behavior are continue to provide help to these communities, even though they are misbehaving with doctor paramedical staff. But it is a sincerity, it is a greatness of our paramedical staff, that they are continue to provide support, continue to provide care to them. So that is somewhat a difference between the character and less character.
Yes. You are
So
right.
main thing is that there are many people who continue to say no. It is right if you do, and it is right if you do any kind of misbehaving to persons. It doesn't matter in today's scenario. But believe me, don't do such type of thing, because if you do that, then what's the difference between you and him? You having a good character, and they don't have a character. So
Yes,
believe me, I want to say that, I want to conclude that good character is somewhat a shape in which you can cross your ocean. Without ship, you cannot imagine to cross an ocean. You cannot imagine to fly over the sky without an aeroplane.
Yes, you're right.
So to do that, you have a good character.
Yes, you are right. As you have discussed about in the situation of the pandemic and the biomedical staffs and doctors, they are still supporting to that communities which are providing harm to them. You are right. In the same sense, you can think about our country, that is India. That is how great it is, how great is its character is, because in the time of this national, not only the national but also the worldly emergency, he is supporting it to his neighboring countries, not only the neighboring countries but also some of the developed countries like USA, like Italy, and like Russia, and all other countries which
And
are in
especially
the,
opponent country like Pakistan.
yes, also like Pakistan, because he is sending the medicines to them. So it is very great thing. Even some countries has tried to provide the heart to India, but still India is providing help to them in this time. So it is very great thing. Only great nations can think about this. I am very proud to say that being an Indian, not only our country is not in the list of very developed nations, but I would say that our country is in the list of good character nations. So it is very important to develop the good character. I also want to say that, as you have told, that it is rightly said that what the people's mind think, it is the character what controls it. Because when you think something wrong, like you think that I have to go, I have no money, so I have to start thrifting, I have to start robbing. You have these types of thoughts are natural to occur in your mind, but it is your character which tells you that don't do like this. There would be many other possible ways to earn money, but don't do this like things. Another important point is I want to say that your character, it is rightly said that your character is a diamond which scratches every stone. Even the toughest, even the hardest persons of this world can be influenced by your character, because there is a situation of the heart transformation that occurs inside a person. That is an abstract situation. I am not talking about the practical heart transformation. So it is I want to relate one story, very short story I want to say. It is in my class 9th, that is a CBSE board NCRT book. The name of the story is Bishop's Candlestick. There was a good person. I will only summarize the story, not whole story I am going to tell. There was a good person whose name was a Bishop's. He was having a candlestick. Okay, so that candlestick was very costly. There was a one thief that came into his house, and he started he tried to theft in that house. On that time, bishop also offered him to take the candlestick. That was very costly, that was very favorite to the bishop, that was very close to the heart of bishop, that he offered to the thief that you may take it and steal it and make the money from it. And the thief, he had taken that candlesticks and move away from that house. But after some time, in the meantime, the thief realized that whom I am thrifting to that person who is in such a good character. Oh, I should surely return that candlestick to the bishop. And then he went to the bishop's home and returned the candlestick to that bishop, and he asked for to pardon him. So it is the heart transformation that occurs inside the thief due to the good character of bishop. So in the practical sense, I want to say that sometimes the heart transformation of the people, they occur due to the good character of some people. So your good character not only makes yourself benefit, but also it is beneficial for the society, but also it is beneficial for that person who are not having that good character just now, who are trying to commit some crimes in the society. Their minds, they have been changed due to see the circumstances. So this, at the last, this is I want to say that focus on your character. Don't focus on your look. Your look is your character is far more important than your look. If you look ugly but your character is very beautiful, then your character would have a lot of weightage than your looks. So focus on your character, don't focus much on your look. When you focus on your character, then you will surely able to achieve great things in your life. That I want to say. Thank you.
Yes, today there are many persons who look so much beautiful by their face, by personality, they have a charming personality. But if you go inside them, then you found them that they are the person with who are having such a bad behavior, such a lack of good character. They are also involved in many crimes also. You might have been seeing many persons around you and around the world. So beware from such type of persons. Don't get attracted by their looks because they maybe look very smart, handsome, beautiful, like a like a heroine and hero. But the main thing is that you should look the character of the person because character is only thing which will support you entire your life, not a good looking person. That is the main thing.
Yes, you're right. So thank you to all my listeners. Okay, goodbye.